In example 6, we were given this equation to help us model the balance in an account with an interest rate of 1.5%. So we'll see that 1.5% went into that section of the equation in example 6. But for this problem, the annual interest rate is going to be 3%. So what we need to do is we need to change the part of this function that is representing the interest, which is that value there inside the parentheses. We'll do 1 plus this interest rate of 0.03 or 3%. And then we'll use our greatest integer function for our exponent 14. We can graph this function in Desmos by taking our 10,000 initial deposit, 1 plus 0.03, close the parentheses, and then there in the exponent, so I'm going to hit that A to the B button to get into the exponent. Then functions, I'm going to use the floor function for x. This is a very challenging window to find, so I would suggest hitting the little wrench and defining your x and y axis appropriately. So I know my balance is never going to dip below 10,000, but I'm not sure exactly how fast this is going to grow, but I'm just going to go up to maybe 11,000. And then for my x-axis, I'm going in quarters of a year. So I really just need to do this for about 2 years. And if I want to consider those quarter years, I can have my step as 1/4. And so that way I can see these steps easier in my graph. So now I have this window that's a little bit easier to see, and I can see these discontinuities are in fact happening at all the multiples of 1/4. So sometimes you have to play with the window in order to see the function that you want in the window that's appropriate.